This video, I will show you how to use the Journal app on iPhone. So to get started, go ahead and open the Journal app on your iPhone. This app is available on iOS 17.2 and later. Now click on this plus button which you'll find at the bottom middle of your screen to be able to start a new entry. So once you click on this will pop on your screen. So in here, simply click on that new entry button, which you'll find below the cancel button. So you can also go ahead and create a new entry from the recommended or recent suggestions based on your photos, workouts, musics, or locations. And here you can go ahead and add your content such as text, photos or videos, voice recordings, location tags, and mood reflections, which you can sync with your Help application by clicking on that Help icon at the bottom right of the tools. So as you can see in here, you can go ahead and set the formatting of the text by clicking on the bottom left of the tools. You can also incorporate recommended or recent items from your device. You can take a photo, record using your microphone, and incorporate a location on your journal entry. Now once you're done with this, click on that done button at the top right of your screen. So let's proceed with locking your journal. So to be able to lock your journal, you need to go ahead and close this app first and then head over into the settings. So go ahead and head over into your settings. So let's close this up first. Click on settings, and then once you're here, go ahead and head over into the app section. Scroll down and look for journal. And then once you're in here, click on this lock journal button, which you'll find below the general section. So in here, you need to enter your passcode and then enable this lock journal to be able to lock your journal. Choose when to require authentication, such as immediately after 1, 5, or 15 minutes, and then authenticate using your Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. Now let's proceed with syncing your journal entries across devices. So go ahead and head back to the settings, and then once you're in here, click on your name and then click on iCloud. So click on that iCloud button and then click on the Save to iCloud. And then in here, make sure to enable syncing journal to your iCloud account. Your entries will now sync across iPhone, iPad, and Mac devices with this iCloud account. And that is how you can basically use the journal app on your iPhone.